Beyond.
Our John Atwater seeing plenty of damage out there and joins us live right now from Holliston. John.
Yeah, you're right, Maria. Quite a bit of wind damage out this way. Just behind us here, you see this car. It ended up against that pole after it was almost hit by a tree that came down during the storm.
There were live wires on the street, so there was basically a fire. There's a lot of burned branches and debris over there.
This big pine dragged wires down with it as it crashed onto Winthrop Street, and it almost took out a car.
It missed the back of her. It probably missed the back of her car by 2 or 3 feet. It can't have been more because when she hit the brakes, she was right where all those branches were. So the live wire was literally right behind her car.
Neighbors say that woman stayed put until firefighters arrived, and then the car rolled into a utility pole.
They yelled at her to get out, but then to leave the car because there were live wires right there. So she got out, never put the car in park. So I'm sure she was terrified.
In nearby Sherborne, the strong winds brought down trees on Farm Road and Woodland Street, prompting detours and knocking out power to neighborhoods. The relentless sheets of rain and gusty winds a little stronger than neighbors are used to.
We get a lot of wind that kind of tunnels through here, but nothing like that. So it was definitely eye-opening for sure.
Now tonight, there are a number of streets still closed here, and school officials today urged students not to walk home because of all of the trees and wires that came down during this storm. We're live in Holliston tonight. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.